How to fix Discord glitch. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. As you can see here, you can find all the applications that you have on your phone, but today we are interested just in Discord. Open Discord, then go to storage, click on clear data, then click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.